Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how you can turn off your active status. In this video we will see how you can turn off your active status from your Android phone, and also we'll see how you can turn off your active status from your desktop. So let's get started. First of all, check how you can turn off your active status from your Android phone.
Open your Instagram account, then click on your profile pic and then click on three dots, then click on setting and privacy. Just scroll down and click on messages and stories replies, then click on show active status and just turn off this.
Now let's get started for desktop user. Open your browser and go to Instagram, login into your profile and click on more button. And then click on setting. And then click on how other can interact with you. And here have you activity status. Just turn off it.